Balangamahe eriti manzar Ufaveye fenilumung eriti manzar Balangamahe eriti manzar Ufaveye fenilumung eriti manzar.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the marvelous milk show. My name is Yashm Binth Ahmed from UKG. I am very excited to show you something magical today. But remember, this isn't any magic. It's just science. For this science experiment, I will use milk, a shallow dish plate, food coloring, dish soap, cotton swab. First, I need my special portion. Milk will be the base of this experiment. And now, I will add the colors of the rainbow. Purple, blue, green, yellow, red. Now for the star ingredient, dish soap. Watch closely, everyone. Here we go. Wow, look at the colors move. The dish soap changes milk surface, making the colors swirl around. Now let's talk about science behind this. The dish soap breaks the surface tension of the milk, making the colors move. That's the wonders of science. You can try this at home with your parents too. Jazakallah.
Balangamahe eriti manzar Ufaveye fenilumung eriti manzar